Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a haul. Different things we bought in the mail, and I have my little new, to me, pre-loved, but new to me, Wellie wisher Willow sitting here. This one Darren ordered for me, and I have been waiting and waiting. I ran out of Mr. Super Clear when? Week before Christmas?
Yeah.
Longer than that, I think. And you couldn't get it. So he had already ordered it for me. And
It was a Christmas present I ordered for you. And then you started.
That is a Christmas present.
And then she turns around and said, before Christmas, says, "Oh, I need you to order me some Mr. Super Clear." And I couldn't very well tell her. Well, I did. I had to tell her. But
Free!
I didn't tell her I bought her 3 cans. So.
I have been doing a lot of face-ups, and I'm working on, we are, God willing and the creek don't rise, we're going to the 2023 Blythe Con after all. But what I'm really going for is the 2nd annual Dolly Meetup, and there's going to be more information on that coming up. I've been making Blythes for my subscribers that are going. How fun is that? And then I got something from AliExpress for the life of me. I don't know what it is. I even looked at my orders. So this is like Christmas again. And I need to start saying this is like Valentine's Day. All right, what did I get? Oh, this is from eBay. Okay. I got, you know, this Cheeky Monkey Monday. Yeah, I'm gonna have to tear that bag. I don't see how it opens. Cheeky Monkey Monday is really a fun little thing that I'm seeing the doll channels doing all over YouTube. So I bought this little guy for my Blythe dolls. Let's see if he can, oh, I don't know. Try to get that in there. Oh yeah, how cute is that? And then this hand is made so that he can hold something. Oh, that's cute. I got that ×2. I really liked them. And then this, you know, they buy these bags so that you're smiling before you open what's inside. I like that, smart marketing. I'm gonna open this end because I can feel heads at that end. I bought a couple dolls. I keep saying I'm not buying dolls unless there's a purpose, and that is true. I have really cut back buying dolls, and I really do ask myself, you know, what is the purpose? What will I do with this doll once I get it home? Because in the store it seems like such a good idea. I need to be really careful right here. I see hair. Let's see if I can get them out without, yeah. You know, you see them in the store, it seems like such a good idea, and there's only one left, and you hurry and you buy it, and then you get it home, it's like, where am I putting this? I am to that point. Wow, this is a beautiful little doll. This is Ashland, a little Wellie wisher. She is a pre-loved doll. Gosh, she's in good shape. They're really tight, too. I really like that. Pre-loved doll. I've been looking at this doll, but most of their hair is what we call fried. This one had really nice hair, and she came with, you know what, I don't know her name. I'll have to look it up again. Came with this little girl who also had really nice hair and needed a combing, but still very nice hair. And they are both in really good shape. I wish their little arms went out, you know, from the shoulder. It just doesn't seem like it would take that much more, Mattel. But these are cute little dolls, and I will show them again once I get them cleaned up. And I need to make one more dress. Well, a couple more, because she could use a dress too if they're going to wear dresses. So that was my haul today, and I am really pleased. Look, she can hold that monkey. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. I'm going to be busy. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.